Hi everyone. In this video, we will show you how to sign up for the Bigcommerce affiliate program. This program was a way for creators, marketers, and store owners to earn commissions by referring new users to Bigcommerce. However, the official affiliate program was discontinued as of May 17, 2025, so the process has changed. We can still promote Bigcommerce through YouTube tutorials, blog posts, website reviews, email marketing, social media, and by sharing our links with friends and on other platforms. Right now, we are waiting for the affiliate program to open again, as it is being updated or improved. This should give us a better affiliate program in the future. That is the latest information on how to sign up for the Bigcommerce affiliate program, since the official program is closed. We may want to look at other ways to run affiliate or referral marketing for our stores, such as using third-party tools or apps that let us build our own affiliate system.